Today in this video, I will be telling you about 5 tips on how to be positive at all times. The first one, get plenty of restful sleep. Sleep and stress are inextricably linked. If you don't get enough good sleep, your stress levels will skyrocket, making it impossible for you to see the bright side of things. Sleep deprivation can harm not only your physical and mental health but also your work performance. If you want to boost the quality of life, having a decent night's sleep regularly should be a top priority. The second, music that puts you in a good mood should be played. Music has the power to uplift and heal people. Music has a physical impact on our bodies according to science. Music has a positive effect on the autonomic nervous system, which regulates your blood pressure, heartbeat, and limbic system, which again controls your emotions and thoughts when you listen to it. Music has also been shown to help people feel less anxious. The third tip, surround yourself with optimistic people. You need to surround yourself with people who can raise you rather than weigh you down. Take a good look at the people you spend the most time with. If you have a friend who is always pessimistic, try to keep your distance from him or her. If someone is continually thinking about their life or circumstance, their negativity may rub off on you and place you in a similar frame of mind. Similarly, if you're around people who are content with their lives, they will be able to convince you to feel the same way. The fourth tip, make your home a happy place to be. Our houses may be a reflection of who we are. If you wake up with a positive outlook and live in a positive atmosphere, you are more likely to bring that attitude into your daily life. What we do at home affects our attitude, productivity, and overall outlook on life. According to research, we can boost our satisfaction by improving the little behaviors and rituals that make up our everyday lives. Make tiny, meaningful changes at home, such as changing your bed every morning or cleaning up each room before leaving it. These seemingly insignificant details can have a significant impact on your perspective on life. The fifth tip, take a break from it. If you are constantly down on yourself and dismissive of your work and efforts, it is almost difficult to remain optimistic. Burnout is common as a result of this. One of the quickest ways to lose motivation, concentration, and productivity is to burn out at work. Allow your mind and body to rest regularly so that you can work at your best. Short and regular breaks at work offer office workers more energy and re-energize them for when they return to work, according to studies. This will be all from my side in this video. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.